This is how to make the jelly pie. First do this and do it like a sandcastle. Oh, there's bubble. There's a bubble. Ah, I wish I could just show you guys how to do it, but it's kind of hard. I need a little slime, more slime. I'll cut this. I'm done cutting it. This is how it looks like. That's good. This is the perfection. I don't know how to do this, but I will do it. I'm just gonna cut this, okay? I'm done. You wanna see here? Look at that. Sight. I'll put some stickers on it. Ah, it's going. Ah. I'll just cut this. I couldn't find a sticker, guys.